How to fix reason 442, failed to enable virtual adapter while running Cisco VPN on Windows 10, or 8.1. Here's how to fix reason 442, failed to enable virtual adapter while running Cisco VPN on Windows 10, or 8.1, Method 1, Step 1, temporarily stop the Cisco Systems Incorporated VPN service from running. Step 2, temporarily Internet Connection Sharing, ICS, from running. Step 3, restart your VPN client. Method 2, one, open registry editor, then export current registry settings. Step 2, go to hkey_local_machine system current control set services cvert. Edit, display name value from, this at OEM38.inf% verta_desk%, Cisco. VPN to this, Cisco VPN. Other voices on the web, Cisco Systems VPN adapter, for 64-bit Windows, or Cisco Systems VPN adapter, if you're running a 32-bit Windows. Method 3, turn off internet connection. Sharing in the internet connection you're using.